Good morning, friends. Welcome to online study in Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Bhandaraj Model, Dosa. This is JP Yadav from Electrical Department. Today's my topic is uniform plane wave. Uniform plane wave and wave polarization. We will discuss today's wave polarization. What is wave polarization? Waves signals moves in form of waves. So the in communication systems, in wireless communication systems, they are travel in zigzag path, in straight and line of sight path. So the polarization of a wave becomes important when we consider radio communication systems and radio wave propagation. The performance of communication system can be strongly affected by the polarization of wave. If it is not matched to the intended polarization along similar lines, propagation of a wave introduce potential change to its polarization, which will in turn affect communication system performance. Hence, it is important to understand how waves are polarized and the difference polarization classification. The polarization of a wave is defined as the figure that the instantaneous electric field traces out with time at a fixed observation point that is normal to the direction of propagation. Perhaps the most common example of polarization you have heard of a linear polarization. A linear polarized plane wave is illustrated graphical below. We might define this as vertically polarized, but in general, linear polarization could refer to linear polarization vector pointed in any direction. So here's the polarization. Electric field and magnetic field both are perpendicular to each other. So in waves, electromagnetic waves are moving. That in electromagnetic waves, electric and magnetic fields are present. So both fields are perpendicular to each other. In general, consider a wave traveling in the plus z direction. Its polarization will then be traced out in the xy plane and appears so in figure. Moves in z direction, but the waves trace xy plane. Gamma is the auxiliary angle defined by tan inverse E2 upon E1 when gamma 0 degree to 90 degree. Gamma is more than 40 degree and less than equals to 90 degree. And epsilon ellipticity angle defined by tan epsilon angle of OB and OA, which depend upon minus 45 to plus 45 degree. The ratio of the major axis electric field component to that along the minor axis is called the axial ratio, which is the ratio of the length of the major axis length of the polarization ellipse to the length of the minor axis length. AR, axial ratio, is 1 to infinite, and axial ratio is depend upon epsilon, which is epsilon equals to cot inverse AR. Axial ratio is a measure of how close the polarization is to circular. If AR equals to 1, the polarization traced out is a circle. More especially, a wave can be defined as being right-hand circularly polarized or left-hand circularly polarized if AR equals to 1. The handness of the polarization is observed by viewing the rotation of the wave vector as it travels. If the thumb point in the direction of polarization, your finger should curl in the direction of polarization. Hence, the use of hand in the polarization description. Say, sign can be arbitrarily added to the axial ratio of the more specific as to the handness of the wave it is referring to. Coming back to the generally elliptically polarized case, we can write the time varying electric field Z equals to 0, Ex equals to 0. When epsilon Z equals to 0 T, Ex plus Ey equals to E1 cos omega T plus E2 cos omega T plus del variations in y direction. So it defines the classification of polarization. This is the linear polarization. A wave is linearly polarized when del equals to n pi, where n is integers. For the linear polarization, del equals to n pi or n equals to 0 to infinite. In this case, the polarization ellipse collapses to a line which in itself has infinite axial ratio. The angle of polarization gamma depends on the amplitude E1 and E2 as described earlier. Gamma equals to tan inverse E2 upon E1. Linearly polarized wave has an axial ratio of infinity, AR tends to infinity. Circular polarization. A wave is circularly polarized when del equals to plus minus pi by 2 and E1 equals to E2. Polarization state. For an arbitrary polarized case, the variables del gamma completely defines the state of polarization. Alternatively, epsilon tau can also be used to describe the state of the polarization. With the same details, to convert between any representation, you can use the following set of formulas. Gamma equals to half cos inverse cos 2 epsilon cos 2 tau, and del equals to tan inverse tan 2 epsilon upon sin 2 tau. One dimensional wave equations is del square upon del x square minus 1 upon v square del square upon dt square into pxt equals to 0. Px0 is given as fx and the pxt is half into f x minus vt plus half x plus vt. So we describe the Maxwell equation which del cross E equals to minus j omega nu 0 h and del cross h equals to j omega epsilon e, and del dot h equals to 0, del dot e equals to 0. And for the source free, rho v equals to 0 and j equals to 0. In time harmonics case, e to the power j omega t is time dependent. And for linear medium, magnetic field equals to nu 0 h and d equals to e 0 epsilon. And uniform plane waves. Wave with constant phase front and whose amplitude E naught is uniform. Recall that from Maxwell equations, del cross E equals to minus j omega nu 0 h. Is electric field in uniform plane wave is given as E equals to x cap E naught e to the power minus j k z. The magnetic field is then H equals to y cap E naught e minus j k z upon n node. So E and H are perpendicular to each. We have 90-degree phase angle. Or in time domain, we can write the electric field and magnetic field in z direction. E zt equals to real number of E to the power j omega t x cap, which is x cap E0 cos omega t minus kz, and h zt can be written is real number of E capital E j omega t upon neta node y cap, which is y cap E node upon neta node cos omega t minus kz, where the n node is the intrinsic impedance of free space, which is 377 ohm. Neta node which is mu naught upon epsilon under root, which is 377 ohm. So the permittivity is 1 upon 36 pi 10 raised to power minus 9 farad per meter, and the permeability is 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7 Henry per meter. So the what is skin effect? When the electric charge move in a wire, then the charge have the energy, and these charge lost their energy at the surface, internal surface of the wire of the conducting media, and lost the energy, and the conducting media is heat up. So the loss of charge is converted into heat up. Then this heating effect is called skin effect. The skin effect is the tendency of an alternating electric current to distribute itself within a conductor so that the current density near the surface of the conductor is greater than that of its core. That is, the electric current tends to flow at the skin of the conductor. From electromagnetic waves, E is x cap E0 की power minus k1z की power minus jkrz, where is j equals to sigma E. J equals to x cap sigma E naught e की power minus k1z की power minus jkrz. Wave plane in dissipative media. In a source-free conducting media, J equals to 0, so Ampere's law states that del cross H equals to j omega E epsilon. As derived earlier, the wave equation is del square plus omega square nu E equals to 0. As we have seen, epsilon is complex for a conducting medium. The wave number and the intrinsic impedance are the complex number. K square equals to omega square nu E, where neta equals to root nu upon epsilon. Plane waves in dissipative media. The wave number and the intrinsic impedance can also be written as k equals to kr minus jk1 and neta equals to neta e to the power j phi. The electromagnetic fields of a uniform plane wave in a dissipative medium are given as E equals to x cap e key e node e raised to power minus jkz, and h equals to y cap e node e raised to power minus jkz. Plane wave in dissipative media, the electromagnetic fields can also be written as inform time varying components. From the electromagnetic fields, we can observe that the wave travel in plus z direction with a velocity v equals to omega upon kr, where kr is called the wave number. The amplitude is attenuated exponentially at the rated k1 nepers per meter, where k1 is the attenuation constant. So these are the dissipative media. Skin effect, we know that skin effect at the surface of the conducting media, which is a loss of energy in form of heat up. So the skin effect is more at surface of the conductor. So thanks to all for watching this lecture. Thank you.